Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and safe tomato soup for your 6-month-old baby. It's important to ensure your little one is ready for solid foods, typically around 6 months of age. We'll focus on simple, wholesome ingredients and preparation methods to create a nutritious meal. Remember, safety is key, so we'll cover how to properly prepare tomatoes for tiny tummies. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes, preferably plum tomatoes, and 1.5 cups of water. For added flavor, consider a small onion, 1 carrot, and 3 cloves of garlic. Begin by washing and halving your tomatoes. You can roast them with the garlic and a little olive oil at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes until soft. Once your tomatoes are roasted and slightly cooled, peel off their skins. In a saucepan, gently sauté any chopped onion and grated carrot until they are soft. Then, add a pinch of dried Italian herbs. Now, combine the peeled tomatoes and the 1.5 cups of water in the saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer for about 5 minutes. Finally, use a hand blender or transfer to a jug blender to create a smooth, lump-free puree, perfect for your baby. When serving, ensure the soup is lukewarm and offer it in small, manageable portions. Leftover soup can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or frozen for up to 6 months. This soup is packed with vitamin C, which helps boost your baby's immunity. For more great tips and resources, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.